Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute bunny family. Let's start drawing. I start with the mommy bunny. I draw the shape of her head with her two bunny ears. Then I draw her eyes. Nose and mouth. Now let's draw her body. And her outfit. She is wearing a shoulder bag. Finally, I draw her legs. Now let's draw the little girl bunny. I draw the shape of her head with her two bunny ears. Then I draw her eyes, nose, and mouth. I draw a cute bow on her head. Now let's draw her body. And her cute outfit. Then legs. Now let's draw her brother, the boy bunny. I draw the shape of his head with his two bunny ears. Then I draw his eyes. Nose and mouth. He is a bit taller. I draw his outfit as well. And his two legs. Last but not least, let's draw the daddy bunny here. I draw the shape of his head with his two bunny ears. Then I draw his eyes. Nose and mouth. He is the tallest and biggest of the family. I draw his outfit as well. He is wearing a tie. Then I draw his legs. Finally, I draw a heart here. What a cute family! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I colored the mommy bunny first. I used this light brown marker for her fur. Then I color her nose and inner ears pink. I color her shirt yellow. Then I use this red marker for her dress. I use orange and blue for her bag. Now let's color the little girl bunny. I used the same brown marker for her fur. Then I color her nose and inner ears pink. For her outfit, I use pink, light purple, and purple. Now let's color the boy bunny. I use a darker shade for his fur. Then I color her nose and inner ears pink. Then I color his outfit green and blue. Finally, let's color the daddy bunny. I color his fur with the same brown marker. Then I color her nose and inner ears pink. Then I use black, light blue, and dark blue for his outfit. I color the heart red. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.